Hi, welcome back to my channel. Welcome to this amazing video. Today we are looking at real life versus Fidget. I've compared a lot of pictures and real life and their Fidgets. Fidget is a small object, preferably one that fits in the hand, that can be squeezed, pulled, or moved around as one sitting or listening. It can help a person when who is nervous to calm down, relieve stress, and serves as a distraction in an overstimulating environment. So kindly watch it to the end, but don't forget to like, share, and comment. At the end, you can subscribe. Please take a look at them. Thanks for watching. Kindly subscribe, turn on the notification bell. See you in the next video. Bye bye.